Threaded plug gauges are used to verify the main inner diameter and pitch diameter limits on threaded parts. Different blades tool grinder with display screen, simple and high accuracy. Better than open hand, you can use the upper part of the empty glue bottle. Turning a 75mm wide cutting cast iron at 6 revolutions per minute. Lightsabers are also known as kyber crystal, consist of a plasma blade that was emitted from a usually metal hilt and could be shut off at will. "70-year-old axe presses at work. Nobody makes these presses anymore. And the old machines must be carefully recalibrated after each run of around 1,500 heads. The recalibration is very difficult as any new parts have to be machined from scratch and deliberately worn down a bit to account for the overall age of the press. Awesome work." In friction stud welding, a round stud is rotated and pressed against a sheet or plate. The process can be used for joining dissimilar materials. Place the soil in the pipe, then bend the pipe. It can prevent from breaking. Here is the finishing of some acetyl shock hardware spacers to final length and inside diameter.